It's a freaking humid morning in the month of May, and I'm out on a new trip. This time it's nowhere fancy. It's a place called Tirupur. Tirupur is where all your t-shirts, your knit garments are made, like your even Palace manufactures over there, and other brands like Diesel and so on. I'm gonna go there, see how the work is progressing with our brand Selfish. Right now I'm in my car, so I'm gonna go drop my car off at work for parking because it's safer. I'm gonna be gone for a week, and I'm gonna catch my flight. Not feelings.
Every time I try, what would I do without you, my child? My Henny super red on some expensive brown piss. She said she wants to.
Look at that beautiful cottage. I know I didn't cover the rest of the day, but this apple strudel right here deserves its fame. Nom nom nom. Man, do I really need to go outside to work? I guess so. Gotta earn that bread. Checking in. That's the living room. That's the kitchen. That's the room upstairs. All set to go. Got my ice pack and my fit on. Not sure if you can see, but that's how I look these last couple of months. With the damn ice pack on my shoulder throughout the fucking day. Last day in Tirupur, headed for breakfast and then work. So,
how are you? How's things?
Good man, good. Man, I don't think I've ever walked so much in my life for idli and dosa, dude. Oh my god. 2 kilometers, 2.5. Chal, dude. Thank you for drinks and dinner. I'll see you next month.
Most welcome.
What's up, you guys? I'm back from like a whirlwind. Okay, not like a whirlwind trip, but like a trip down to Tirupur, taking a quick look and checking out the manufacturing process. Selfish tees, this is yet another prototype, but I came back from Tirupur to a rather pleasant surprise by the guys at Adidas Originals yet again, and these guys are spoiling me rotten. What I have in my box is the Young 96 Chasm, but when I pop the lid open, they know me all too well. So this is like my favorite color lately, this kind of a mint colorway. And I remember telling the Adidas guys when they sent me the night jogger as well, they sent me a Kawal tee, which is like a full sleeve, similar color t-shirt. And I told them this is like my favorite color and I love it, absolutely love it. So I guess that's what made them send me yet another one. And this is so summery. It says juicy mixed ice cream. Like what? Miami? I don't know what the vibes on this, but so minty and fresh. Now the Chasm is what? Yeah, it's about 8,000 rupees, so about $79. And they have made minor edits to the Young 96, and man, let me tell you, if you're not wearing this for summer, I don't know what you're doing with your life. The Young 96 Chasm. Oh, this insole is quite fun. Let me see if I can pull it out. Don't think I can. I think they glued it on. I want to show you a closer look at the insole, which carries over from the t-shirt print. So it's got Adidas Originals 3 Stripes Life, premium quality, very retro, vintage vibes on it. Your regular torsion sole, like on any young 96. They kept the sole the same. It's the same as the previous model that I reviewed. I'll leave a link for you somewhere right here. So it's got the same sole. They made no changes to the sole per se, but the uppers have seen a lot of change. So in comparison to the previous young 96, it again has a mix of nubuck and mesh, but this nubuck feels so soft. It's something else. So essentially what they have done is thrown on these waves, these wave kind of patterns around it, and it's overlaid now over the 3 stripes. So the 3 stripes peep from under it. A nice mustard yellow brown kind of a color with orange, and then hits of aqua, like you can see here, the plastic Adidas branding in that aqua colorway. You have a pop of red or pink. I can't tell, I guess I'm colorblind. I think it's a pop of pink, and that reflects over here, this bit here, right here. And then you have your flat laces, you have a mesh layered tongue with some cotton and nubuck again, different panels. Man, this sneaker has multiple panels, and it's so summer friendly. Flat orange laces, you have a sock liner that's fairly padded. I could literally just team this t-shirt with these sneakers and throw on a pair of like what, grey tracks. So what I'm going to do now is slip these on feet, because there's nothing much I can tell you really. The fit on the young 96 is very relaxed, very comfortable, so go through the size. It's got a fair bit of space because of the way it's constructed, but at the budget that it comes at, this sneaker is quite a good and reasonable cop. So pick it up. The Chasm is in stores right now. If you're wondering what Chasm means, it's like a pit or like an abyss. Not like an abyss, but imagine the earth splits during an earthquake, and there's an endless break or like a plummet, whatever, you get what I'm saying. Imagine it's an earthquake and the earth splits. That's a chasm. If it just goes on and on and on, like endlessly, like it's not like a 5-foot or a 10-foot fall. It's like a massive drop there. That's a chasm, and I guess that speaks volumes for the sneakerheads. We're falling into the chasm of buying friggin' sneakers because they look so good. Alright, slipping these on feet, doing an overall fit. I'll see you in the next one, you guys. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button because I have quite a few videos coming your way. And if you like summertime freshness, citrusy orange or whatever, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.